This is a ball, but we are going to imagine, pretending this is an animal in our imagination. This is a parrot. Do you remember what is parrot? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, but I'm going to explain. Parrot is an animal who flies. Is a bird. But this bird repeats everything what you say to him. For instance, if you say, I go, he will repeat, I go. If you say, bye, he will repeat, bye. Right?
Right.
This parrot is green, like this ball. So, the name of the history is a crazy parrot. Do you know crazy? Crazy. Crazy parrot.
Okay.
There is a boy. This boy named Jack. Jack has a parrot. It's a ball, but imagine it's a parrot. Jack has a parrot. The parrot name is Kiwi. Kiwi as the fruit. Do you remember?
Yes.
Great. It's almost the same name in Portuguese. Kiwi. Jack has a kiwi, a parrot named Kiwi. Kiwi, of course, Kiwi can talk and repeat everything that Jack said. That Jack said to them. That Jack said to him. Great. But one day, Kiwi was very, very sad. Kiwi thinks Jack doesn't like him. He is very sad. He thinks the apocalypse is starting, atomic bomb, something like that, because he's crazy. He's very crazy. So Kiwi flies away. Kiwi flies away. Alright, do you understand that?
Yes.
Flies away?
Yes.
Kiwi flies away because he is very sad. Jack came to the house and he doesn't see Kiwi. Because of that, he is very sad. So Jack go out looking for Kiwi. Okay?
Okay.
Where is Kiwi? I don't know. And Jack starts to asking the people on the street. Do you see Kiwi? Oh, I don't know. Do you see Kiwi? No. Where is Kiwi? I don't know. Do you see Kiwi? One guy said, yes, I see. Kiwi is in the supermarket, near the bananas. Do you understand that?
Yes.
I'm sorry about that. But it's not this kind of Kiwi, it's the parrot. So he finds Kiwi inside a tree. He is on the top of the tree, okay?
Okay.
But Kiwi is crazy. Kiwi, in that time, Kiwi thinks he's not a parrot. He is a cat. And cat doesn't fly. So Kiwi stopped there and start to sing songs like that. He starts to say meow meow because he thinks he is a parrot. He is not a parrot, he is a cat. Jack sees Kiwi and he's very happy because of that. But he knows Kiwi is crazy. And Kiwi doesn't fly at that moment. Because of that, Kiwi take his cell phone and call the firefighters. Do you know firefighters? Do you remember?
Yes.
Oh, great. So he called the firefighters and explained to them that story, why Kiwi doesn't fly. The firefighters came and helped Kiwi go down to the tree. Use the ladder, climb up the ladder, and help Kiwi as a cat.
Yes.
So, Jack and Kiwi came to their house and they were very happy.